Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Wading River to Davis Park, or along the line extending from Wading River to Patchogue, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Shirley, Calverton, Mastic, Manorville, Center Morages, West Hampton, Riverhead, Mattock, Peconic, South Old, Greenport, Shinnecock Hills, Southampton, Shelter Island, Bridgehampton, Newark, Plum Island, and Sag Harbor. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk County, New York.
Please no more tonight.
The flash flood warning
Good.